Hi there, we are continuing to talk about protecting forms from spam. We already explored how to integrate Google hCaptcha to your form on Joomla site. Link in the description, and in today's video we will show you how to integrate an alternative solution to Google hCaptcha, is hCaptcha. Yes, Balbooa Forms supports hCaptcha and will integrate it. As always with third-party integrations, we need to generate keys. For that, visit hCaptcha website and sign in or sign up if you don't have an account. OK, from the dashboard click Add Site button. On this page, enter project name. After that, enter domain name. And click on icon, plus. Select passing threshold. I will use auto. And click the Save button. Here is our site key, copy it. But also, we need secret key. Secret key you can find in account settings. Also copy it. OK, keys are ready, and now we need to enable hCaptcha in Balbooa Forms. From the Form dashboard, open your form on Editing. Navigate to Integrations. Select Category, Other, and click on hCaptcha. Enter your keys. I will use test keys. Here we can select the theme color, dark or light, and make it invisible. Click Save and move to the Submit button settings. Spam protection and select hCaptcha. Let's take a look on site. And here is our added hCaptcha. We see red notice because I'm using test keys. Let's try invisible mode. Go back to Form Editor, Integrations, hCaptcha, and select Invisible CAPTCHA, Save, and save the form. Let's take a look at the site. Now much better. So, we have successfully generated keys and added hCaptcha to our form in just a few minutes. Your forms are protected from spam. Enjoy.